Home video of puppies being offloaded for an Oceanside pet store has sparked a new controversy tonight.
10 News reporter Steve Fiorina is there live. And Steve, there were protesters out front just this afternoon.
They certainly were. They've been hitting in front of the Oceanside puppy store on weekends for many months now. And as you said, this afternoon, they've been out on Oceanside Boulevard hoisting those signs again. Signs urging a honk for animal rights. The target is just behind them, the Oceanside puppy store, which they claim sells pets from puppy mills. They recently recorded this video of deliveries in a nearby alley.
The puppies are trucked in 1,500 miles on this long journey in a huge semi, shoved through the back of a truck, stuck into Tupperware containers, and then brought into his store and sold for several $1,000s.
Store owner David Salinas told 10 News the puppies are treated well, that he doesn't do business with the mills.
The nice thing about us is that we have a heart and we work with good, legitimate, federally licensed and state licensed breeders.
But one of the protesters argues that's misleading.
His puppies are housed on property that contain anywhere from 200 to 2,000 dogs.
There have been confrontations, including angry words.
Hey, you need to get that out of my face.
This has got to stop. This movement of accusing every single breeder that sells to pet stores as a puppy mill, absolutely ridiculous.
He posted a banner out front. Shame on the animal rights extremists.
There's good pet stores and bad pet stores. We're an excellent pet store.
Davies is hoping the Oceanside City Council will follow the lead of San Diego's, which banned pet shops from selling cats, dogs, or rabbits if they didn't come from a shelter, the Humane Society, or were a rescue animal. And Salinas is suing the city of San Diego over that ordinance. Another protest is planned tomorrow. Live in Oceanside, Steve Fiorina, 10.